Ever noticed how project gets stuck at 90% complete forever?
Finished with your work?
About 90% done.
Excellent. Now, if we leverage this momentum, Q3 projections look incredibly promising.
Week 1, we are 90% done. Week 2, still 90%. Week 3, okay, maybe 92%. So here is the truth. The first 90% of the project takes 90% of the time. The last 10% takes other 90% of the time. Why? Because everyone waits until the end to test, and that's when all the problems show up at once. Imagine building a shopping website. The login works, the product page works, the checkout works. Each piece tests separately, perfect. Then at the very end, you test them all together, and surprise, surprise, when users add 10 items to their cart and try to check out, the whole thing crashes. Now you have to rewrite the cart, fix the checkout, and test everything again. It's a disaster. That's what happens when you test at the end. You find 200 bugs when you thought you were almost done. Now developers have to fix everything, which breaks other things, which creates more bugs. The last 10% becomes a nightmare. Smart teams test while they're built. Test the login, great. Test the profile page, done. Test notifications, perfect. Each piece gets tested as it's built. It's like packing for a trip. You think you are done, then you remember your charger, toothbrush, that one specific jacket. The last 10% of packing takes longer than everything else combined. Test early, test often, or get stuck at 90% complete forever. Want to learn how to test smarter and save your project from chaos? Join my Software Tester Mastery course. The link is on the screen. Let's make you the tester who keeps projects on track.